Hello, this is a quick video about homework 9 where you have to use the tkinter library to reproduce this layout, and you have to use these words and everything. In the homework there's a link to the video about the layouts, there's a link to this video, and there's a link to the book that talks about tkinter. So when you recreate this, first notice that this word TK at the top is normal. We could change that. I didn't show you how before, but if you don't do anything special when you say TK for the first time, when you say TK in parentheses, it's automatically going to call the window TK. This Majestic 12 identifier, this is a label. It's at the top. This is another label, IDE colon. This is an entry box, and you want IDE colon on the left, entry box on the right. Here's another label. Now here's a hint. You probably want to do this whole bottom part with the numbers in that label in a frame. And then you even want to do these buttons in yet another frame inside that other frame. So you have multiple frames here. So this is above the buttons, and then here's a grid of buttons, and they're stretched out like this. There's a little bit of padding as well. Below all that is a checkbox with these words. Below that is a button that takes the full width. So try to recreate that. It's not super complicated, but you do have to think about a little bit of nesting. Like I said, you have to think about the fact that this bottom part's a frame, and inside that there's probably another frame that uses a grid. The thing is, you can't mix grid and pack. So if you're using pack to put this at the top, you can't switch to grid in the same frame. You have to make another frame. And this part needs to be a left and a right situation when you run pack. All right, let me know if you have any questions.